Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create this beautiful white outline around your pictures to make your pictures stand out in your YouTube thumbnails or whatever you may be using it for. It's pretty simple, and we're just going to start with a new page right below it. And I'm going to bring in my picture again. So this is one of my favorites. Just make it bit larger, put in the center of the screen there. Now we're gonna duplicate it, so hit duplicate, and now I got two of me's, which is more than what the world needs right now. And I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. There we go. So I'm going to go into filter, and you're gonna choose grayscale. So already I'm looking kind of wonky. It's perfectly fine. This is what you want. We're going to go into adjust, and I've made my adjustments already just to make this video quick, easy, simple to watch. I put my code in, and what you're going to do is copy everything that I have here in adjustments. Just take this down and put it into your adjustment under adjust in your Canva filter. So just, swipe those numbers and you'll get something looking like this. Next, you're gonna put this behind the image, and we're gonna reposition the image so it's on top. So just gonna slide it over there. There we go. You know what? Let me just move this back and make this a little larger. And then we're just gonna move me over it a little bit. And you can play around, depending on how much, where you want the white to fall or whatever you're looking for, more on this side, more on that side, I don't know. But I'm happy with this. And that's it. That's very easy. This is using the free version of Canva. And maybe this is probably your first time with Canva, which would make me sad because Canva is so great. But if it is, I got a code below. Just check it out right now. You get a free trial with Canva. I mean, really, it's free. So you can make what I just made immediately and make it for yourself. And, use Canva to create all your YouTube thumbnails, your graphics, whatever it is. This is what I live on. This is where all my graphics are made. As you can see, it's simple and easy to do. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Do you have a different way of making this? Leave it in the comments. If you like what you're seeing, please continue to watch. And of course, subscribe. It goes a far way in getting me and inspiring me to do more videos for you to help you with all of your software, editing, marketing, whatever it is. So of course, I never end without saying thanks for watching.